Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Car Moon, where I talk about and review camera tech, gadgets and smart gizmos. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. But today we'll be talking about a new exciting product from Philips that will bring your movie nights to that next level. Let's jump into it. Philips Hue have been announcing a whole bunch of products, and if you haven't watched my previous video on this, there'll be a link in the corner. But it doesn't seem like Philips are stopping. It looks like they're getting ready for the holiday season, and Philips Hue have brought out the Philips Hue Play HDMI sync box. Now this is a cabled way to basically hook up your Philips Hue bulbs in your home with your TV through the HDMI. Now the idea looks like it's been inspired from their Ambilight system that they use in their own Philips TVs. Now if you don't know, Ambilight TVs are basically Philips TVs with lights in the back that reflect the colours that are showing on the screen to the back on the wall. It adds to the overall movie watching experience as well as gaming if you're using a PS4 or Xbox. The sync box looks like it's using the same tech as the Ambilight that they have in their TVs, but now you can apply the same concept to any TV in your house. Even if your TV isn't a Philips one, you can now get this cool effect no matter what you're watching or what you're gaming on. The sync box is basically a small black box that sits in between your device like your PlayStation and your TV. Now in the box you get the adapter, a HDMI and obviously the box itself. Now the box has got 4 HDMI ports, which means there are plenty of devices that you can hook up to, such as a PlayStation, Xbox, laptop, streaming box like Apple TV, or like even those Fire Stick TVs, and obviously a lot more. All those devices then go through the sync box, which analyzes the colors, so then it can be sent to your lights. Now Signify, the company behind Philips Hue, says that there should be no latency issues even when gaming. The device supports 4K 60Hz as well as HDR10 at launch, but before you go and rush off and buy one of these, just be aware that it does not support HDR10 Plus or Dolby Vision. Now HDR10 Plus as well as Dolby Vision images and videos will still pass through the device in their full quality to your TV, but it won't produce the lighting effects. You can hook up to 10 Philips Hue color compatible lights over the Philips Hue Sync app. You have a few modes such as intense mode for those dramatic lighting effects, or you can have a subtle mode which provides a less jarring effect. The lighting effects can also be turned off if you don't want to see them while watching or gaming. Now the Philips Hue sync box will be available in the US, Germany, Austria, Sweden, Belgium, Luxembourg, Denmark, Norway, Finland and the Netherlands from the 15th of October. So far, they haven't said anything about us in the UK, whether this is going to be released. However, they did say that there will be more countries to follow in 2020. So fingers crossed we see this here in the UK, because this is something that I definitely want to be grabbing when it comes out. Now the retail price will be €249.95, or in the US, $229.99. So in the UK, fingers crossed, this will probably be priced at around 180-ish to maybe £200 here in the UK. Now I have to admit, this is a little bit pricey. However, the technology that has obviously gone into this is just incredible, and this is really the first product in the market that has something like this, and for it to work with such a huge ecosystem of bulbs. But there we have it, just another update from Signify. So please let me know in the comments down below what you think of this and what things you like and dislike about this product. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in anything that I've spoken about or any of the gear that I use to film these, there will be links in the description down below. But for now, look after yourselves and I'll see you in the next one. Take care everyone. Bye.